You may know that magnets hold pictures onto a refrigerator. Here are more facts about magnets and their amazing invisible powers. Long before there were refrigerators, magnets were used in compasses. A compass has an arrow-shaped magnet that helps people know which direction they travel. One end of the magnet always tries to point north. We call this end the North Pole. The other end of the magnet is the South Pole. Every magnet has a north and south pole. An invisible force field flows outside a magnet from the North Pole to the south. To scientists, a force field is a space where something gets pushed or pulled. A magnet's force field pulls on paper clips and other pieces of metal. We can see the shape of a rectangular bar magnet's force field. If we sprinkle tiny bits of iron around it, the iron bits stick to the invisible lines of force making up the magnetic field. Magnets come in all sorts of shapes. Some are round, and others look like horseshoes. No matter what their shape, they all have north and south poles with force fields flowing between them. For refrigerator magnets, scientists figured out a special way to place north poles and south poles of a bunch of tiny magnets right next to each other in plastic. This lets a refrigerator magnet be extra thin, and only one side has much magnetism. Magnetic force fields do not always attract. When the North Pole ends of two magnets are put together, they push away from each other. The same thing happens with two South Pole ends. The magnets repel or push away each other. But opposite poles attract and pull toward each other. A North Pole and South Pole are drawn together. For magnets, opposites attract and likes dislike.